When the sun is up earlier than usual, it's a good sign to start your day with a smoothie, and we're making some banana and beetroot smoothie. And with me here are my ingredients. Of course, I have my frozen bananas. I froze this over the mango season and I've just been enjoying them slowly. And I also have a frozen beetroot, but you can also use fresh mangoes and fresh beetroots if at all you have them. But this is so many months later after the mango season, that's why they are frozen. Finally, you'll need some milk, and without further ado, let's get started. I'm having this for breakfast, and if at all you're sweet too, you can definitely add some sugar or honey, but you can also enjoy it as it is. So I'll start off by chopping my bananas into smaller chunks. And just to mention, everything is cold here, from the beetroot to the mangoes and also the milk. So that should be okay. I'll chop some beetroot, mainly for the color. You can definitely go in with as much as you may prefer. That should also be okay. I'm going to blend this till I have a very smooth consistency. And as you've seen, this is such an easy recipe. You can definitely enjoy this for breakfast, for brunch, or any other time that you may prefer. So I'll give this a taste test and I'll let you know how it tastes. Wow, so good. If you have the mangoes and some beetroot and some milk, you definitely want to try this recipe. That's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.